Today, in the Gospel according to Luke 15 verses 3 to 7, we imagine the heart of Jesus. There was a small and rebellious lamb, named Bel. He often hid to listen to the voice of the shepherd, who called him by his name, Bel, Bel. One day Bel really got lost. The shepherd looked for him anxiously. He did not find it until the last moment, on the edge of a cliff full of thorns. Bel, what are you doing here? Come. Filled with scratches, the shepherd was whistling with joy while returning home with Bel. Jesus, you are my shepherd. Never let me turn away from you. Lord Jesus, today we contemplate your sacred heart, pierced on the cross. Grant us, Lord, the grace to always be close to you in the Holy Eucharist. Grant us the grace to remain in your love and to glorify you with our life. Praise be to you forever, Lord Jesus Christ.